Video I'll show you how to remove the shower tray and the toilet in the L300. See, there's lots of little screws all the way around. That'll have to be taken out. When you've got all the screws out, take a putty knife and just go all around the edge to cut the old silicone or whatever sealant was used. Just cut it all the way around. And then on the drain underneath is a big nut that needs to be taken off, and then pull the drain out. And then the toilet, there's the water pipe at the back, so make sure that the pump is switched off. Flush the toilet that the water is drained, that it doesn't spill any water when you loosen the nut at the back. It's got two screws that's got to come out. A lot easier than I thought. Just pulled out, came out very easy. Just got to remove those screws to get that seal out and then see what's underneath that. Well, I'm happy to report that there is no wood rot under the shower. It's all dry, so I can just clean up, fix up a little bit of painting at the back and reassemble. I just wanted to make 100% sure, because the floor was a bit flexible on this side. Now I see why. Is the styrene is just sloped down, and this side here there's no real support, or there's no support under the fiberglass floor, the tray, shower tray. So when you stand in this area, it feels very soft, and I just wanted to make 100% sure and to be safe that there's no wood rot. But like I say, very surprised and very happy. No water, nothing, stone dry, and I use my shower a lot. Every time I've been camping the past trip I went, I had about 6 to 10 showers every single day. So, happy chappy. The main thing why I took the shower tray out is I wasn't sure if underneath the tray there was wood rot. I didn't know the construction of it, so it felt a bit flexible with one corner of the floor, and that's closest to the drain, so I just thought previously the water was leaked there and there's wood rot. That is why I removed the tray, and as you saw in the video, it was not the problem. But that cavity, I just put some styrene in there, and that supports the tray a little bit more, so it's definitely better standing in the tray, on the tray now, having your shower. Yeah, so thank you for watching, and good luck to everybody in Natal, and people that hasn't got electricity and they hasn't got water. I'm lucky that I've still got electricity, so all the best to everybody and good luck, and hopefully we'll get all of those things restored quickly. We were hit pretty hard here in KwaZulu-Natal. But all the best, and thank you for watching, and if you like this video, please click the like, subscribe, and see you again next week. Cheers.